Welcome to the machine.
All right. Beautiful day today, Garrett Mountain. All right, we're getting everything ready, set up to teach the students how to build a drone. Here we are. Finally, we're here. Everybody got some cargo. Everybody know the cargo?
How are you?
Yeah. See, got the kits ready. We're expecting somebody else. We got another little visitor back there. Hey. So the main thing is to teach them how to build them. So it's supposed to look like this. Once they get that going, then they can do whatever they like. And we're at beautiful Garrett Mountain. A beautiful day today. It's a beautiful day. All right, guys. We're here at Garrett Mountain, and we're going to be teaching the students. We're waiting for somebody else. Teaching them how to build a drone. Okay, this is what I've been talking about for a long time, and I'm going to finally start doing it today. My name is Victor Barriga. I am the founder and owner of STEM Academy, which is an Eye in the Sky project originally. So it's STEM Academy now, and we're working on building this program and making it bigger and bigger. So teaching the kids to learn how to build these things. Okay. There's a lot into this, a lot to learn. You don't have to be a pilot to make a good living out of this. Okay, you can design it, you can program it, you can do a lot of things. All right. So, anybody have a question before we start?
Oh no.
We have a student here. Age is, what's the matter with age, you know?
Never too late to learn.
14
That's
and
right.
up.
Yeah.
You say it's right?
14 and up, you got it? There you go.
Yep.
It's good. And like I said, never too late to learn something. Alright. Flight control board, which is this. Flight control board. Inside, that's what makes it fly. That's what makes it where the brain is.
So who sets up the flight control boards already?
Control board is what makes it, in the whole mechanics of the brain.
Okay.
The programming.
Those already programmed?
It's already, I have programmed already.
Oh, you did?
I already did.
Oh, okay. Great.
If we didn't have the lab, since we're out here, they would have done it.
Oh.
We need a computer, the laptop, and we need to download a couple things. So I took the liberty of doing that. But this is in a normal class. This is what they would do. They would have to actually get the software, install it, make sure it's good. It boots up nice. All the things are good.
Are you going to be doing classes over the summer?
Yeah, so it depends where we're at. If we have a place with internet, and they're going to do it.
Alright. Keep us cool.
It's not sticking?
All right, we're ready? Let me see. Where's the board? Okay, the board's going to go. Yes, brown a little bit. Now, the front. Now, when you do this, this is your front. Okay, that's the front of your drone. Okay, you did that? Is that yours? Okay, excellent. Make sure that's snapped on good. That's your front of your drone. This is front of your drone. In this case, this is going to be your front. the batteries. Let me see what I'm doing. See, in this case, this is going to be your front. See the wire? Yeah, so this is going to be your front. See, the battery's going to go back here. It's a little bit different than what it. Okay, so now you got that, you got that, you got that. Okay, next. Put all the loose stuff in your pocket. You know you got one. All the loose paper. Alright, next. Alright, we're going to need to secure that. Make sure it's turn this over.
Just put this in a box, sir.
Okay.
Turn that over. Now we need to secure that. So we're going to get 2 pieces of Lego. This side, that size here. Right.
Turn it over.
We'll use the green one. Yeah. Put it across here. Doesn't matter. Everyone's got different colors, I see. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So let me see your front. That's correct. You put that there. Yep, you got it. Turn it upside down. There you go. And then you got the other one. Yeah, this one. That's great. You have to match. Right, correct. Slide it right in. There. And you're going to do this side too. Exactly. Do the same thing. The other thing I'll tell you, if you can swing them around like that. Inside there, by the way, the propeller, or the propeller. Yeah, like why I'm not right there. Here, go like this. Wrap them around the Lego. Like the arm of it.
Let me see what you do.
You can take them out again. Take them out. You know what? Just wrap them around the way, because the propeller's going to hit this. You can't have it. Yeah, just wrap it around. So like I did with this one. Yeah, just wrap it around, and then the whole idea was to show you where those. They're testing out their drones now that they build. It's a little finicky. This, you know, when you're not used to the. Yeah, just take it. There we go. He's testing out his. You gotta fix the wire. It's touching it. You pull your hair out by the end of it. But they got the main idea of it, how it works and how it. So it's just a matter of practicing and playing around with the propeller. You got to move the propellers around. Sometimes they put them on right, but they get the idea. Which is fascinating. That's what it's all about. Now you got to rebuild it. Now it's a matter of rebuilding. You got to Rebuild. That's how you learn now. Yeah, you're gonna rebuild. I'm not gonna teach her now. She's on her own. It's all good. All right, here we go. Hey guys. All right. So, what do you think?
I think that it was fun, but next time I'll use the red ones.
Okay. Well, I mean, you could have done it now, but now because we already did the main thing. But now, on the next time. And you liked it? Good. You learned from it, right? How about you, brother?
I like it.
Cool, right? Just a matter of getting used to the. Yeah, see that? All good. How about you?
Well, I enjoy watching the kids put their drones together from scratch. Maybe next time they can get a little bit more height on it, get used to it. But it was a great experience overall. Look forward to doing it again.
Okay, great. See that?
I need help getting our food covered.
I'll help you with that. Don't worry about it. All right, we're good. We also want to thank the people that donated our kits. PBA 197, Passaic County Water Commission donated, and the rest of the Passaic County residents that donated. Here it is. Here's your good money invested. That way the kids will learn and see how they get that. They liked it, so it's good. Thank you. All right.